Hey whales, good evening. It is Monday, June the 9th. Let's recap the markets and go over Tesla moving forward. And for those that don't know me, I'm a full-time trader. I do these updates every single day. And to give you an idea in terms of how I'm doing so far for the month of June, for my trades, you can see very solid start to the month so far. Up 5.7K USD, 88% win rate. I do believe this is unsustainable, guys. Typically, I'm about maybe a 54-55% win rate. So I'm expecting some losses to come in through soon. However, you can see from the calendar view, again, very solid start to the month. And hopefully I can keep up this momentum for the rest of the weeks ahead. I took 2 trades today on Broadcom, on Oscar, etc., etc. So yeah, let's see if I can keep up the win streak here. So with that said, let's dive into Tesla here. So today, guys, the winning trade on Tesla was actually longing this low here. So you can see from the Discord group for Tesla, this was the entry zone that I mentioned in Discord to buy between 285 to 279 with a target at 313. So this was the main setup here. And you can see on the winning trade, it went right into the zone at 285 between 279 and then ultimately trekked up and hit the targets at 313. So now what's going to happen? Well, if you take a look at the 4-hour time frame, right, we're expecting 2 primary paths or 2 cycles that could take place. From the lows, we potentially have a wave 1 that gets put in. WXY is the primary path for a wave 2 before higher. Now, surprise, we could do the alternate path where the low is already in place for just an ABC. And now we're going up for a potential wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then higher. Okay, so either path is viable. We're going to have to wait and see how the markets decide, right, at these levels here. So Tesla is potentially looking at maybe 331, and we're going to decide whether or not it puts in this WXY path or if the lows are in and can continue pushing higher closer to 390 to 427. This is my main target if Tesla can keep trekking higher on this alternate path. If not, then do expect maybe 249, guys, for this Y wave here. Okay, we just don't know yet. We just need more time to understand what the markets are going to do. But ultimately, you can keep buying the dips, keep buying the swings, and keep pushing the markets higher because Tesla is still bullish against this main low here. Okay, so for me as a day trader, my mindset is I'm going to be keep looking for day trading opportunities to go long. I'm not bearish on Tesla right now. It still is bullish against the 4-hour, the daily, the weekly. So there's nothing for me to be bearish about in terms of trying to short it. That's probably not the right move for me. So I'm going to keep going with the trend. I'm going to keep buying the dips as long as this low holds. Okay, so that's sort of the main idea. If you take a look at Tesla's ETF on XLY, you get rid of some of these strongs here. Okay, you can see that for XLY, from the swing highs down to the swing lows, we did tick right off the 1-to-1, so that's a pretty bullish sign here. You can see that this looks like a wave 1, 2, 3, possible 4, and a 5 pushing up. So XLY is the ETF that Tesla, Amazon, Nike, they're all a part of. So if XLY looks bullish, right, you can predict maybe Amazon and Tesla, they're going to be bullish as well, right? And I'm looking at XLY trying to reach 227. Another ETF that I like to take a look at is ARK for Tesla as well. Okay, so ARK, I mean the main holding is Tesla. So you can see wave 1, 2, possible 3, 4. And more upside for that 5th. So we take the sort of the levels here, right? Anywhere between 64 and 69 bucks is where ARK is looking to sort of get to. So if XLY is showing bullishness, if ARK is showing bullishness, that's why I don't think that Tesla is going to go below this low in the near future, right? I just don't see it as of yet. Of course, it can happen after, some craziness if it does evolve into something like this. But for now, this is why I'm staying bullish. This is why for my bias, for my daily bias in terms of taking trades, I'm only looking for longs. So, you want to keep going with the trend. You want to keep going with the overall ETF. So again, if you guys want my actual day trades, entries, target, stop losses, you got to come join Discord, guys, right? You get the exact entries. This was the winning trade on Tesla, right? Nvidia, all these amazing trades for Hood, right? You can come and get these exact levels. This was the winning trade on Broadcom for today as well. Perfect entries. So I look forward to seeing you here in Discord. The link is in the bio for you to join. Talk to you guys soon. Have a great rest of your Monday night, and see you tomorrow for Tuesday.